The screening procedure with the L2000 DXT Analyzer is basically two steps: the sample preparation and reading, and can be performed by one technician with specific training. This video presents the necessary steps for a successful sample preparation. The following materials are needed for the screening procedure: the L2000 DXT Analyzer with the chloride ion-specific electrode, kits that include reaction tubes with black dispenser caps, pipettes and filters, a 5 ml pipette, a vial rack, a timer, a marking pen and a USB key, 2 empty 20 ml glass vials for the rinse and calibration solutions, extract, rinse and calibration solution, electrode filling solution, and tissue wipes. First, transfer 5 ml of sampled oil into the black cap tube using a 5 ml pipette. Use line mark on the tube as reference. Close the sample bottle and the tube with the black cap. Break the bottom ampoule in the tube and shake the tube for 10 seconds. Break now the top gray ampoule. Shake the tube vigorously for 10 seconds. Let the reaction to proceed for an additional 50 seconds, while shaking and resting every 10 seconds. Use the pipette to add 5 ml of extract solution to the black cap tube. Tighten the cap and shake well until the foam and dark color disappear. Vent the tube by partially unscrewing the black cap while holding the tube upright. Squeeze the test tube slightly while retightening the cap and shake the tube for 20 seconds. Vent once more, tighten the cap, and place the tube upside down. Let settle for 2 minutes. Place a filter in one of the 20 ml glass vials, marked with the sample ID. Position the black cap tube directly over the top of the filter and open the dispenser nozzle. Dispense the solution by carefully squeezing the sides of the tube. Stop when the first drop of oil appears. Let the solution pass through the filter, but do not allow any oil to pass through. Let the solution cool for 5 minutes. The sample is now ready for analysis. We wish you good luck.